Imagine this. Two old shipping containers transformed into a cozy and stylish home. Yes, that's how the story of this unique tiny house began. The combination of industrial steel and the warmth of natural wood turns it into a true masterpiece for those who appreciate functionality and the beauty of minimalism. The exterior is clad in cedar siding with gaps, leaving a hint of the original structure visible. Enter through the massive container doors, now replaced with picturesque glass panels, or use the side door if you prefer a more traditional approach. Now, step inside. The interior, lined with pine panels, creates a sense of warmth and coziness, while 100-year-old barnwood adds character and uniqueness. Every space here is thoughtfully designed. The kitchen, living room, and bedrooms are all functional and stylish. The kitchen boasts modern amenities with a rustic touch. It's a place where you'd want to cook homemade meals and enjoy time with loved ones. The wooden dining table is perfect for morning coffee or long evening conversations over dinner. This house is not just stylish, but also incredibly comfortable. The bedrooms, with their cozy beds and natural material accents, invite you to relax. The bathroom, with its white tiles and refined touches, feels like a small oasis for rest. But the crown jewel of this house is undoubtedly the rooftop terrace. Imagine climbing the spiral staircase, settling into a comfortable chair, and being surrounded by nature. At night, soft LED lighting creates a magical atmosphere. Here, you'll feel your energy being replenished. This tiny house isn't just a home, it's a symbol of creativity, minimalism, and harmony with nature. If you've ever dreamed of your own cozy corner, where every morning starts with inspiration, then this house is just for you.